It's been snowing in the UK in the first week of January, which is terrible for getting around, but it's great fun and it does add that extra interest to our photos. If you're taking pictures of snow, you might want to think of these things. Snow often looks grey in the images, and you can fix that by a little simple setting. If you're like me and you've got a dedicated camera and you use manual mode, then all you have to do is slightly overexpose your image, and then that brings the greyness out of the image, and your sensor looks for 18% grey, so it often makes snow look grey than it should be. But let's have a look. I'll get my camera out and I'll show you exactly what I mean. I'll take 2 pictures of these berries with the snow on the ground. The first one I'll be underexposed by 1 stop, and that should make that snow look really grey. And I've got 1600th of a second f4 and 1 stop underexposed, and there's that first image. Now I'm going to slow the shutter down. I'm going to take a 1 stop overexposed, and that should give me a nice image of white snow. And just to make sure, I'll go 2 stops overexposed, and that would be even better. Simple as that, and that will stop your snow looking grey just by underexposing the image. Well, I'll show you those images now.